Ooh, ah. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah. I can't make the ching ching. Strong man. Hi, I'm Jerry Gray, and I'm in Guzheng. Everybody knows Guzheng. It's the city of lights, and there's something special about it. I'm in the village of Liufeng, which has a very special dragon dance. It takes over 200 people to perform it. I'm going to find out today how the dragon is made and what it's all about. Let's take a closer look. The Yunlong dance is a traditional folk dragon dance that has been passed down for over 300 years in the Liufeng village, Guzheng town. In 2011, the Yunlong dance in Liufeng village was successfully included in the third batch of the National Intangible Cultural Heritage List due to its long history, unique appearance, and rich dance skills and tricks. In the past, on the 20th day of the first lunar month, the village of Liufeng in Guzheng would hold a grand ceremony where about 200 young people would go to the ancestral temple and invite the Yunlong dragon to join them in a dance. As dusk fell, the lit candles illuminated the dragon's body, then led by flags and lanterns, guided by the dragon ball and accompanied by props such as clouds, carpfish. The Yunlong cloud dragon would set off from Liufeng village and parade through neighboring villages for 3 consecutive nights. I can imagine how hard this would be for these guys to go all the way down Xinjiangdao in Zhongshan. It's like a 2-kilometer walk, holding this thing and dancing with it. It would be really difficult. This is 28 jin, which is 14 kilograms. Very heavy. Before I came to China, I didn't know the difference between a dragon dance and a lion dance. I'm learning every day. This is a really, really interesting thing, but I'll tell you what I've got is a whole new respect for the people who do this. This is a very heavy item to carry, and they really do work hard making it, learning how to do it, and then actually performing it. There's a lot of hard work involved.